Hello, welcome back. So we have a Houdini, we have the license server on Linux. So now we have to configure the HQueue client because I want that my HQueue server will be able to see my new slave computer. So I will launch a terminal and I try to reach the HQueue client folder. So it will be in my home. So home, name of my profile, and HQueue Client. Inside it, you have different files. The same you can find in Windows. The most important for the moment is the HQueue and I have to edit it to write inside the correct path to the HQueue server. So I will use Vim. Vim is a text editor inside Linux. You can use any text editor for that, but I want to use my terminal to edit it. So I will just do this. I will install it. So sudo apt install Vim. So this is correct. This is going faster. And now I will edit my HQueue node.ini. So sudo, because I want to keep my administrator privilege. Vim, my text editor. HQueue node.ini, the file I want to edit. So now we are inside the file. And as you see, for the server name, we have Cyril VirtualBox. It just tries to take a look on local to reach the HQueue server, and that's totally useless. In our case, we are in a network, so to reach the right HQueue server, my Windows computer, I need to know what is the IP address of my computer. Each computer on a network has its own IP address. In my case, it is 192, 168, 2, and 30. So I will have to write this IP address for the HQueue client. I will edit my file, so I will just click on the I button of my keyboard. So I am in the insert mode. I will remove this from my HQueue server IP. I will click on my keyboard on escape. I have to save this, so use a colon W to save the file, and colon Q to quit the file. So we update the file, but we need to explain to the HQueue client service to be reboot, to restart, just to be up to date. So I will just show you what is it. You will see there is a file called HQueue Client D. This is a command of the service about the HQueue client. So I will just write HQueue Client D. If I click on enter, you will see that the program explains me that to use the HQueue client, I have to add different options: start, stop, restart, or force reload. In my case, I just want to restart the services to be up to date. So I will just click and with my arrow to go through the historic command. I will select again /HQueue client D, and I will just add the word restart to restart the services. In the same time, you will see that now on my HQueue render, now I have a new computer. This is a Cyril VirtualBox, and as you see, the client is available. So that's the good news. We succeed to reach But I want to test something. I will just restart my computer. So I restart my computer, and if you see, the client is offline and it will stay offline. Why? This is because the HQueue client service is not automatic. When we reboot the computer, the service has to be rebooted manually. So the next step, we will learn how to transform the service as an automatic service when we reboot the computer.